This is Jesus. She has a small farm with a family in La Matanza, a town located in the north of Peru. She's worried about the frequent use of pesticides and insecticides because although they are necessary, they have a terrible side effect. They diminish the yield and quality of her crops. Soil degradation affects more than 3.2 billion people and 4.7 billion of acres. It causes losses of more than $577 million in worst crops per year. One of the main causes is the excessive use of pesticides and insecticides. Currently, the most common solution to restore the soil is the use of chemical fertilizer. However, this is counterproductive because it degrades the soil, reducing the harvest and therefore reducing the income of farmers such as Jesus. Thanks to our in-depth research with more than 20 hours of mentoring, 10 interviews, and 3 surveys and many field visits, we have created an innovative, sustainable, and viable solution that nourishes, cleans, and gives new life to soil contaminated by pesticides. Hi, my name is Hank, and we are BIOALLPA, a biofertilizer with bioremediation properties. BIOALLPA nourishes and restores the great agricultural soils, improving crop yield and quality. How does BIOALLPA nourish? Through its scientific support composition, cachaza, which contains 40% of organic matter, in addition to bagasse, leaves and molasses obtained from sugarcane. All these components will be purchased from small and medium farmers, generating more income for them. How does BIOALLPA bioremediation work? First, through bagasse, that acts as a biostimulation treatment, and then through the inoculation of bacteria to treat soil contaminated by pesticides. In this way, we combine the joint action of these elements, allowing the maximum utilization of nutrients that has a positive impact on the farmer's pocket and the environment. This has been tested with legumes, and the results of using and not using our product indicate that it generates 31% larger plant size, 48% more leaves, and early development of flowers and pods. That's why our value proposition is based on giving the opportunity to have better crops at a lower cost with sustainable development. For this reason, unlike our main direct competitors, we are a great alternative that truly understands the needs of our consumers. Under the B2C business model, we can be found in the stores near farms and in stores specialized in agricultural products. Our target is small and medium-sized farmers who have chemical contaminated soils and are looking for affordable products to restore them. To begin with, let's focus on the 1% of legume acres with degraded soils in Peru, out of the total 164,000 acres that need our product in the domestic market. In addition, we saw a presentation of 25 and 50 kilograms at $40 and $27 respectively, obtaining an operative market of 46%. We benefit from the fertilizer market trend of growing 2.1% per year and plan to enter new markets starting in 2026. On the other hand, we plan to establish alliance with retail stores in later 2023 and begin operations in Peru the next year. In addition, we plan to expand throughout Latin America by 2030. Our impact at the social level is the use of 33 tons of natural waste that is no longer discarded. Economically, we generate an extra income for the farmers of $536. At an environmental level, compared to chemical fertilizer, we increase soil moisture by 10%, in addition to favoring the development of biomass by 41%. To solve this global problem effectively, we have a high-impact team. Thanks to BIOALLPA, Jesus increased her income and has more peace of mind with a product that takes care of her land and her pocket. We are BIOALLPA, Chuya Pampancuna, Sumat Alpa. Clean soils, beautiful land.